Hi, my name's Chris Comenia, and I'm a professional chef. It's what I do every day for a living. And this is my sister-in-law.
Hi, I'm Trish, and I am not a professional chef.
And I'm here to show Trish some real simple and easy home cooking meals for her new family, her new baby girl. And today we're doing spaghetti and meatballs.
Let's do it.
Okay, so Trish, in front of you, we have ground beef and ground pork. And they're almost equal parts. There's a little bit more beef than pork though, okay? So let's throw it in the bowl.
Okay.
Okay, knife.
Okay.
On top of the garlic, and you're just gonna give it a shot.
Okay.
And then the skin comes off. Nice and easy. Then you have this little,
Whoa.
Okay, and then if you want, you give it another smash. And it kind of crushes it a bit. And just chop it up. Just a little smack to the knife, okay? Yeah. There you go. See it? Look at now start chopping it up. Scrape it off the knife.
Scrape it off the knife.
Yeah, you're gonna have to touch it. You're gonna have to touch it.
Oh, gross. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just smush the garlic.
Smush the garlic.
Smush the garlic. Okay.
So let's throw this in with our meat here.
Okay. So now garlic.
Yeah.
Going in with the meat.
Yeah.
Okay.
We want to clean the onion. Okay.
Okay.
Why don't you pull the skin off?
Okay.
The outside layer of that.
Onions have layers. Okay. It's a metaphor.
We're all waiting for the metaphor.
The metaphor is that each season has a new layer of skin.
Okay, so now...
Especially if you get Botox.
And we could have minced this up too with a knife, but I feel like this just gets into the meat better. Okay, and while we're doing this, I got the water boiling, or the water's on right now, okay?
Okay. I should have brought sunglasses.
I'll take over. I think my eyes are just used to this stuff. Look at that delicious.
Oh, it's like a mash.
So let's do.
Okay.
I want 1 cup of breadcrumbs, okay?
Okay.
And then we want half a cup of milk.
Bit of a cup. So we need 3 of these? 2.5.
Yeah, let's just do that. That should be fine.
2.
That should be good. Okay, now salt. You want to get a nice, good pinch of salt. Grab like a good, more. Like maybe 4 of those.
Abracadabra. Yeah. Let's make some good food.
Yeah. Again.
Boom.
Yeah.
That could be the name of our show. Abracadabra. Let's make some good food.
Yeah. You get like 3 fingers, all 4 fingers in your thumb, and you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Let's just keep this nice and simple.
Okay.
Salt, pepper, garlic, onion. We're going to put a seasoned breadcrumbs in here.
Okay.
When these are done, you'll really get to taste like the pork and beef, and it'll be nice and meaty. You won't have like overpowering flavors, okay? So you could go crazy, and you can find a recipe that has onion powder, garlic powder, blah, 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 a mile long, or this is enough right here.
Like the basics, the good stuff.
Yeah, this is the good stuff.
Let the meat speak for itself.
Exactly. Throw all the breadcrumb into the meatball, into the meat here. And now your favorite part is going to happen.
Oh no, I have to touch it.
Well, you know what? Maybe you should take your ring off. We don't want to lose. That's a nice surprise, but we don't want to eat diamonds today.
Okay. Oh, gross.
Yeah.
It's
cold meat.
It's mushy. I just have to tell myself it's just Play-Doh.
And I just want to incorporate this a little bit, and then we're going to add a couple eggs and some Parmesan cheese.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Nice.
I did it.
Here, you can just.
And there's only a few shells in there.
Yeah, it's okay. That's texture.
Yeah. Oh, the entire egg fell in. Oh dear.
Okay. I want to use like half a cup of parm here. So
okay.
That should be good. That's like half a cup. And then,
back at it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm touching raw egg. I'm touching meat. I'm touching onions. I'm touching garlic. My husband wouldn't believe it. He's right there.
Yeah, he'll believe it. I'll never work. Okay. So then we have our meatballs. Not made, not formed. Right here. Trish made them with her hands. So I'm going to get my magnum of olive oil.
Okay.
Straight from the old country. We're just going to put some in the plate here. Okay. Well, that's a nice color. Oh my God. That's really nice olive oil.
That looks really good. Did you get that in town?
I got that imported from Italy from a small farm.
Whoa.
Hey, you got to know people.
Nothing but the
gotta
best
know people.
Here.
Okay. We're going to grab a little bit of meat.
It smells really good.
I don't know, like let's say 2-3 ounces.
Okay.
And I like to kind of play catch with it a bit, smush together.
Baseball.
And then you just want to roll it.
Okay. Toss it.
I'm going to
leave it. Pull it quick to retrieve it.
Meatballs. And then I have a pan here, just off to the side, that has a little bit of avocado oil. We'll fry in avocado oil.
Perfect.
Okay. You should throw in. Knock the camera.
Smack it on the camera.
Okay. The meatballs are nice and browned.
Yep.
Right? Nice
They
color
look
on them.
awesome.
So let's take them out of here. There.
Perfect.
And take those out of there.
Okay,
And then we'll make the
put them on
sauce.
the plate?
Yeah, I'll make the sauce in this pan.
So all of the kids like this and they'll eat this?
Honestly,
dinner?
they love spaghetti meatballs.
Yeah?
They love a red sauce. They love tomato sauce.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So there's a little bit left, like the parts that we couldn't grade.
Okay.
I'm just going to throw into this pan just for flavor.
Okay.
We have it, right?
More onion.
And then some people add sugar to their sauce. I don't know if you ever heard that.
I've heard that, yeah.
Stuff,
My
okay?
grandma.
Guess what's really sweet, though?
Pepper.
A nice red pepper. So why don't you
It's healthier.
cut that in half?
Okay.
Cut it in half. And then we'll take the seeds out. Here, I'll grab this. We'll just pop the seeds out.
Okay.
Okay. And I might even just, there you go.
Ah, rip and toss.
Even this
Rip,
one,
toss.
I'll just throw this whole thing in here, okay? We're
Smash
just gonna do this. I'll just press it down.
Okay.
I'm even gonna leave the skin on it. I'm not gonna care.
Really?
We're just gonna infuse the oil that's in this pan with some of the garlic, and then we'll pull it out, okay?
Okay.
So once you do that one, just smash it down a bit.
Okay. I'm just going to press the garlic like a pro.
Yeah, just press it until it kind of hold down because we're not really. There you go. Yeah, yeah,
Pressing it.
Yeah.
Is it pressed
Let me
enough?
see. This is a pretty gnarly one here. Oh yeah, this was hard.
Do you know
You would never do that.
Do you know the young people say, don't be so pressed?
So
Like, stop being pressed about that.
So in this case, be pressed.
In this case, be pressed.
And then we're just gonna saute this for like 2 minutes.
Okay.
We're gonna use passata.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like strained crushed tomatoes. Right?
Okay.
Any grocery store has
I
this.
see those all the time. Yep.
And then we'll use some San Marzano peeled tomatoes.
Awesome.
They're whole
Mhm.
in here. So what we can do, we're gonna keep this rustic, okay?
Okay.
Maybe I'll put this in a bowl. You can buy crushed. You can buy it already kind of pure, but I like a little texture.
Oh.
So what we're gonna do?
It's really good.
Guess what we're gonna do, Trish? Guess what we're gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna get our hands in here again
Oh, we
and
get
just
to-
smush them all up. Okay.
That's actually really fun.
It's not meat. We're safe here.
This is really fun.
Right. Right. Some tomato
Finger
sauce.
paint on the
painting.
walls.
Okay. Wait. Now. Okay. Chill. And you can just go bam, 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 bam. You want to wash the jar.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So we can grab.
And then put that back in.
Yeah. To get every little bit.
Oh.
And I'm actually gonna let's wash this can out too.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put a good shot of salt in there.
Okay. Is there like a noise I should do?
Yeah. So whatever you feel.
Whoosh.
Nice. I think my nose would be like.
Oh, that's
I think
good.
I whistle a lot.
That's really good.
think
Do you know
people
that's an improv game?
Is it?
Where you clap a sound to someone and then they have to, without thinking, clap a sound to someone else and then.
Oh,
clap a
really?
sound
Just
and
like
keep
random
passing
sounds,
the
random sounds.
Yeah,
That's
it smells
great.
really
Smells
good.
really good.
So I was telling Chris earlier that one time when I worked at a bar, I put basil in a mojito because it was really busy and I guess we ran out of mint. Apparently I was onto something and that's
Basil
a thing
mojitos.
now.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna finish cooking the meatballs in this
Okay.
sauce. Oh my god, that almost
oh, it's going to be really good.
that was almost a cannonball of sauce on us.
Yeah. Cannonball.
See, okay, when I'm looking at this, it looks a little bit too thick. We have our water going here,
Oh, your pasta water.
and this is just hot water. We haven't cooked pasta yet, but it was looking too thick
Mhm.
right now. So, and it'll evaporate. Grated onions.
Yeah.
We chop garlic. We crack whatever. We did all this other stuff. Where you could just have garlic powder, onion powder, blah blah blah. You know, everything dry apart. If you really want to go
Toss
quick,
it.
this could all be done in one bowl, one pan, and one pot. So yeah.
I would think, oh my gosh, that's so overwhelming. I could never do that. But when you break it down, I mean, obviously I still never cook like you, but when you break it down, you definitely make this doable.
It's achievable, right? It's not.
Yeah.
It's like
It's not as many steps as I thought it
even
would
like
be.
take the meatballs out, just scrap
Yeah.
the meatballs and all that stuff. And if you just got a pan and some olive oil
Mhm.
and put a couple of cloves of garlic in there, and then you infuse it, throw some tomato, that's a sauce. Give the pasta a little twist.
Yeah.
So like twist it, and then you just kind of put it in the middle here. Let go, and it should evenly be distributed.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
So I'll try it.
Try it. Yeah. So
Gosh.
grab it.
Okay.
Yeah. Twist
It feels
it.
like nice pasta.
Yeah, yeah. Now go right over top of it, and then just drop it.
Whoa.
Sick.
Yeah, usually when I put in pasta, I break it and then pieces fly everywhere.
My heart.
And then I put it in.
I think the only time you're allowed to break pasta is when you're feeding your baby, and you grab it and you just make a little pastina out of it.
Oh.
Otherwise, like you've broken like every
Tradition
law
and
in
rule.
Italy. Yeah. Yeah.
Surprise, surprise. I'm not
Yeah.
authentically Italian.
I'm gonna drop this in one of your hands, and you're just
Okay.
gonna go like back and forth. Get your, it's gonna be hot.
Ah.
Yeah, there you go.
Try another one.
Right?
Oh gosh, this is
Hot potato. Like you're literally playing hot potato right now. It's so good. Clean counter. Nice and al dente. Right? You can just take a little bite. I'll clean that up later. Let's grab some pasta. Okay, what you're gonna do? I'm gonna let you do this. Grab pasta.
Mm-hmm.
Let the water drain.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're just gonna go in there. Okay. Now at the restaurant, I would put the pasta in a saute pan, and I would cook the sauce into it. But like we're at home, I'm just gonna put the sauce on top. Just that sound, eh?
Yeah. Ooh.
Shot of olive oil on there. That looks pretty yummy.
That looks amazing.
And then we're cheating today.
Okay.
Because I didn't have any. I don't have a brick of Parmesan, but this is freshly grated Parmesan cheese from the grocery store.
Delicious. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Right? Oh, like this right here. Oh, I just ruined it. How about like that?
It's all about
just throw a little bouquet on there.
A bouquet. It's all about presentation.
Right? Sick. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So the thing is, if you over mix it in the mixing process, they'll get too dense and firm. That'll be too hard. Okay.
Oh, okay. So
these are nice and like.
Careful on the mixing. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about this.
They're really yummy. Eh?
They melt in your mouth.
Yeah, they melt in your mouth, and they're not like overpowered. The garlic's not overpowering. The onions,
all the flavors are like.
I taste the beef,
equal.
right?
Yeah.
Taste everything.
That's amazing. This is amazing. Yeah. Move over toast.
Yeah.
Pasta's coming in. I'm gonna be able to feed my family.